All right, so I picked up the beef crumbles at Dollar Tree, and my thoughts was, how good can it be? So let's find out. What? I just did my quiet on the set, didn't I? Hey everybody, Ma Terry here, and I am in my test kitchen. I test out a bunch of stuff before I go on the road. What are we testing today? This I got over at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Yes, I did. So you know what? If this is good, I'll stock up 4 or 5 packets and make tacos on the road. What are we making today? We are making nachos, but okay, also at the Dollar Tree, I got these tortilla chips for 50 cents. But if these aren't any good, I have backup tacos prepared. So anyhow, let me show you my list of ingredients and what I'm testing too also. All right, so here we go. I'm backing up the camera. I have all my stuff chopped up. That's my cilantro, green onion, tomatoes, onion. We're trying that. This is my homemade salsa I make with diced tomatoes. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without the spice minis. I got my Yeti 500. Let's see, we are at 79% power. And of course, I have my Dash rice cooker, all cleaned out from the last travel, good enough. So we're gonna start. All right, so I plugged in my Yeti and it is at 79% power, and we're going to see how much power it drains down to by the time we're finished this magnificent feast. Oh, and I have my bowls all ready. Yay! So while my mini is heating up, how about I put some chips in the bowl? All right, but most importantly, are these chips any good? Is it going to be nachos or tacos? So let me open it up and I'll try one. Oh, old lady strength. Oh, they look well intact, not bad for 50 cents. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Yay, budget meals. All right, so here we go. This is the easy part, and I am waiting for my mini to heat up. There we go. I wish Dana was here. I'd make her a bowl too. So, there we go. The star of the show will be the meat. Do I have backup meat? You bet I do. All right, we'll give Mr. Louie a little bit more. There we go. Let's try this chip again. Oh, these are good. Not bad. All right, there we go. We tested the chips. Next, this. Now, let me tell you a little bit about this. While this is heating up, this has 3 servings, 80 calories, so 8 times 3 is 240. So that's not so bad. Then I divide it in half with Mr. Louie. That's 120 calories. We're not talking about how fattening those chips are, right? No, we're going to talk about this. All right, what does it look like inside? That's not so pretty, is it? Well, but it smells really good. And then as this heats up, I'm going to read some more of the ingredients. But first, I got to, oh, there it is. There it is. It just plopped right in there. Yay. All right, so what are the ingredients in here? Ingredients, cooked beef. Oh, let's put the lid on. There we go. Cooked beef, water, seasoned blend, maltodextrose, onion powder, salt, cumin, chili pepper, paprika, color, garlic, modified food starch, etc., etc. Okay, it says you can microwave or heat it on the stovetop. We are doing the stovetop today. And there you go. There's some nutritional information for you. And let's see, it's 12:13. Where's my battery at now? 78%. Let's see how it cooks, okay? All right, so there you go. There's a look at it up close and personal. It is orange. Now, what makes this a entry into curious cuisine? Because I'm curious to see if we'll live through this. Oh my gosh. All right, the chips weren't bad, but we gotta try this, right? A minute into cooking. Let's flip that over. It looks like taco meat, you know? See what I mean? Looks like taco meat, except for my taco meat is never that orange. Anyhow, let me see. Let me push that down. Oh, I forgot to put it on cook. Silly me. There we go. Now it should start. Oh, I hear the battery going. Yay! All right, so honestly, we're starting at 12:15. Whoopsie. Alrighty, it's been 2 minutes. I thought this was interesting. Let me see if I can find it. Fully cooked, ready to eat, but beef raised with no added hormones. So I guess that's pretty good, right? No added hormones. All right, 2 minutes into it. Let's see. Oh, good. I got some heat going. Yes, I do. Oh, yeah. Did you hear the little simmer? Oh, this should cook up nicely. I'm going to estimate that maybe in 10 minutes it'll be done. So, yeah, we'll come back. We'll come back to it. Oh, and also I'm going to make sure that all the surface of my pot is covered with meat so it heats up nice and evenly. All right, we'll check back. It is 12:18. We started at 12:15. All right, we are at 12:21. Let's check the progress. Give it a quick little stir. My battery's down about 5%. And we're about halfway done. Let me test it. Yeah, that's a little lukewarm. We do not want lukewarm taco filling. So, put it back on cook. It thought it was done. That's so funny. There we go. Alrighty, so next we have out our testing spoon. I can see it boiling. It's been 10 minutes so far. Yeah, I think that's pretty much done. Look at all that heat and everything. Yeah, I'm going to go over and see how much electricity. My little rice maker, it turned itself off. I guess when you open the lid, there's not enough weight, but that's okay. I'm going to go. Let's test it. Test and spoon, test and spoon. Here, you first, you first. What do you think of that? Is that good? Perfect, perfect temperature. All right, let me see what the battery says. We are at 69%, so yay. I think I'm going to put it on for 1 more minute. But yeah, it's really doing good with the battery and everything. All right, I've gotten from the audience a volunteer. It's Mr. Louie. Say hi, Mr. Louie.
Hi, Mr. Louie.
There you go. All right, I want you to taste the meat. Wait a minute. I'm going to give you one of the chips. You can just scoop right in there.
Hey.
And these are the chips I got for 50 cents. The meat was $1.25. You tell me if it's good for nachos.
Uh-huh.
Okay, real good? All right.
Real hot.
Real hot. I know, it cooked it really well, didn't it?
Yep.
It did it in about 10 minutes. All right, I'm going to go ahead and plate it for you, and I'll meet you in the living room.
Tastes like chili.
Woo! That's good. That's a good recommendation from Mr. Louie. All right, it is time to plate it up and serve it to Mr. Louie. There's that's mine because I always get a little bit less. And this is Mr. Louie's. And you want to go through the chop house and put on what you want?
Yep.
Go ahead. Put on whatever you want.
Or something, or just my
Nah,
fingers?
just use your fingers. Sure.
I want some onions.
Onions. Oh, good
I
choice.
want some tomatoes.
Some tomatoes.
I want some cilantro.
Woo! You're really going whole hog.
I want some green onions.
Uh-huh.
I want some guacamole.
That's the spicy. I like the spicy.
Good.
By the way, in the living room, I have the homemade salsa that I made and the stuff from the Mexican restaurant that we like.
Here we go.
You want? Okay, go ahead. Do you want any sour cream?
Yep.
All right.
Hey,
Go for it. Enjoy.
I'm not as fast as you.
Woo! Thank you, Mr. Louie. Bye.
Wait, I gotta put up a flag.
There you go. That's, wow, it's like we're professional cooks here, huh? Ah, that's cool. We're going to bring in the chips with us, but my battery is down to 67%, so that didn't do so bad. Yay! All right. Alrighty, I can't wait to try these. Let's see what I did. Pretty nice presentation. And did I make good nachos? How are they? So good. Thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoyed nachos with me, and I will see you down the road. Bye. So I definitely will go back and get some more of those beef crumbles and see if they have some more of those chips on sales because they are camping worthy.